Oh, looks like you have some competition, Mr. Green Slime. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Alright, guys, today I am doing another trying to find the recipe. Basically, guys, if you don't know what that is, I want to try to make it a series. But anyways, I don't have any shaving cream. I haven't had it for like 3 weeks. And I keep forgetting to get some. And I even went today to the store and I did not get any. But anyways, guys, I was like, what am I even on YouTube? And I found some recipes to make fluffy slime, but without shaving cream. So I found some recipes and we're gonna test them and we're gonna see how good they are. And today's like my challenge to be try to press the like button with your. Oh wait, no. Today's like my challenge to be. You guys have to comment down below what your favorite series is and then press the like button. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, so the first one, guys, is from Crafting Unicorn 101. So 101. Yeah, so let's try our recipe. So first, just gonna get some glue. So here's some Elmer's white glue. Now I'm gonna put some paint to color it. Not too much, because I don't want to change the texture, because paint kind of changes the texture a little bit. Okay, so then she said to put some baby oil. So I'm gonna put like that much. There we go. And then some cornstarch. Okay, so then just a little bit of cornstarch. And then it says to add even more baby oil. So there's some baby oil and then even more cornstarch. I don't know if you have to like mix it and then like put more and then mix it again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because that's what she did in the tutorial. So I'm just gonna do it. You know, maybe the mixing puts air bubbles and it makes it like fluffier or something. I don't know. I'm gonna just do that. Perfecto. I'm gonna put some more cornstarch. And I think that's it for this. And we're just gonna go ahead and activate it now. Okay, let's activate it. Okay, I'm almost done, guys. It kind of does seem like fluffy. Okay, here's the final product, guys. Whoa. Not bad, guys. That's kind of fluffy. This recipe is actually pretty good. I'm actually really surprised because, you know, it was just cornstarch and baby oil. It's like nothing really even fluffy, but whoa. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to rate this one a 7 out of 10. I think it's pretty good, but it's not quite there. But yeah, you guys gotta know what you think, and let's get on to the next recipe. Next one is from Tasso, guys. This one is a very simple recipe. All you have to do is get some glue. I'm using the same glue, and yeah. Then you're gonna get mousse. Hair mousse. Basically, hair mousse is like this fluffy stuff that you put inside hair. Well, not inside hair, but you just put it on your hair, and it like kind of gives it volume and like fluffs it up. So there we go. Can you guys see that? It's like kind of fluffy. The thing about mousse, guys, is that it kind of like disappears when you press it, so it's like not as thick as shaving cream. So I'm gonna just put some paint really quick, and then we continue putting the mousse. There we go. Do you guys see that? It just kind of disappears. So yeah. So obviously this isn't gonna be a really good fluffy slime, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it turns out. Ooh, you guys see that? It's kind of like globbing up. Wow. I wonder if I put baking soda, will it glob up more? Or maybe if I put contact lens solution. Okay, I'm gonna put some more. And I think that should be Gucci, and then I'm gonna start activating it, guys. Okay, this slime is like literally activating, guys. Look at how globby it is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and activate it now. This slime seems like it needs a little bit more activator than usual, because like it was activating, it was getting all stringy, but now it's kind of like melting again. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some more activator. I'm pretty sure we can activate this, or maybe I put too much mousse. I don't think so though. Here it is. It's kind of like, yeah, it's all activated. Oh, not bad, guys. Whoa, do you guys, that's actually pretty fluffy. It kind of has like the texture of fluffy slime, just a little less like creamy. And less dry, I guess you could say. This one's a little bit more moisturizing, but it's actually really good. Whoa. I feel like maybe if you add shaving mousse and cornstarch together, maybe it'll like make a shaving cream kind of texture. to give this one a 9 out of 10 because it's really good, but I feel like it's still not completely there, but like it's still really good, guys. Like it's pretty good. It's a very good substitute if you don't have any shaving cream. And it also gives it a pretty cool texture too. Next one, guys, is from Cafe 4 Squishies. This one is kind of like Talissa Tassels. You use mousse. So put some mousse. Let me put some coloring really quick, guys. So put some mousse. And then also you're gonna put some lotion. So this one basically you just add some lotion. That's what's different about it. By the way, I have this lotion from the dollar store. It's pretty good lotion. I like it. It's not really good for like making your slime softer, but like it's good for texture, I guess. Like it makes it softer, but like it doesn't really melt it, I guess you could say. So I like it. Okay, I'm gonna add some mousse at the end because I feel like when you mix it like this, it kind of like deflates a lot. So I'm gonna add some mousse again at the end, but for now I'm gonna activate it. And let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna put some more activator. Almost done. This one seems like it needs more than the first one, like even more than the other one.
3 weeks later.
Okay, guys, here it is. This one is actually really good. It actually is pretty like it has a different texture than the first one, which is kind of weird. I would expect it kind of just to be like basically the same, but like less fluffy. But this one actually seems a little bit more fluffy. And I even put as much mousse. So I'm gonna put a little bit more mousse. We're gonna see what happens. Okay, here's the slime, guys. It's actually pretty good. This one, I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10 for this one because, like, for a fluffy slime without shaving cream, because this one is actually really good. Like, I am very surprised with this, guys. Look at that. Okay, let me just compare it to this one really quick. This one is the one with just mousse. And this one is the one with mousse and lotion. I don't know, it's like, I think a lot better. That one is really crazy, guys. I really like this one, and it's super stretchy, and the texture is amazing, and I cannot wait for this to like kind of deflate. I wonder what kind of texture it'll be, and yeah. Okay, well, here are all the recipes that I tried out, guys. I don't know. You guys comment down below which one you think is the best. I think the best one is this green one, definitely. It is so nice. We also have this yellow one. This yellow one was really nice too, but I feel like it was a little too thick because of the cornstarch. This one was really good too, but it was kind of more like a thick slime. And then we have this one. This one was really good, but I'm gonna have to say this one was the best. We're gonna do one more thing, guys. We're gonna go ahead and mix all of the ingredients I have here. So yeah. So we're gonna have some glue, some baby oil, a little bit of paint, lotion, cornstarch. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix that, and then I'm gonna put the mousse at the end because we have a lot of stuff in here and it's gonna be hard to mix. I'm gonna add some mousse now. And let's see what happens. Maybe this will be the best recipe. It's really soft. Yeah, finally done with it. Here you go, guys. It's pretty good, but I still really like the green one. I don't know, maybe the baby oil is the one that kind of like makes it a little bit deflated. But like this one is like, it's pretty good, but it's kind of like a little bit less deflated. I mean, less inflated. I guess less fluffy, but it's really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more mousse though, because why not? Ooh, this one just didn't turn out too bad after I added the mousse. Oh, looks like you have some competition, Mr. Green Slime. Here's the green slime. This pink slime is actually a little bit better, I think. Whoa, guys, 10 out of 10 for this one. Dang. Oh, that was nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to say this was my favorite. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite. And can you guess what time it is? It is slime smoothie time. Okay, we have our pink slime, our blue slime, green slime, and then our yellow slime. This is gonna be so beautiful, guys. Okay. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Sorry guys, this slime is a little bit sticky, so it's hard to like do swirls and stuff. Whoa, this didn't turn out into such a bad fluffy slime, guys. Your favorite slime recipe was. Mine would be that pink one, the last one that we did. That one was really good. And if you guys want to do it, if you don't have any shaving cream, you can't find shaving cream everywhere, you can use baby oil, mousse, cornstarch, and lotion, and that makes them pretty nice to fluffy slime. But if you only have mousse, that works too really good. And yeah. Okay, well that is it, guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.